Hey friends, today I wanna make you thick yogurt without starch. Hope you like it. The ingredients are 1 liter milk, 4 tablespoons yogurt. Let the milk heat up. Boil the milk for 20 minutes.
Minutes later.
Let it cool. The temperature should be high enough not to burn the finger. Add a little lukewarm milk to the yogurt. Stir. Add to lukewarm milk. Stir. Put the lid on. Cover the dish with a blanket for 5 hours to keep it warm. After this time, put it in a refrigerator slowly. "24 hours later, the yogurt is ready to eat. Enjoy your meal!